Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into the mesmerizing fashion choices of the one and only Megha Akash. From red carpets to casual outings, Megha has truly captured hearts with her unique and trend-setting style. So, let's get started. Our first stop on this fashion journey is Megha's impeccable casual chic style. Whether she's spotted on the streets or grabbing a coffee, she knows how to effortlessly combine comfort with style. You'll often see her rocking oversized blazers paired with skinny jeans and ankle boots. Her accessory game is always on point, with statement sunglasses and delicate layered necklaces. Moving on to the ethereal elegance that Megha brings to the red carpet. She's a pro at embracing soft pastels and flowing silhouettes. From delicate lace gowns to dreamy chiffon dresses, her red carpet looks truly a sight to behold. Her attention to detail shines through with intricate embroidery and subtle makeup choices. Let's talk about Megha's knack for contemporary fusion. She seamlessly combines classic elements with contemporary trends. Saris with a twist, like pairing them with crop tops or statement belts, are some of her signature looks. Her willingness to experiment and mix different styles truly sets her apart as a fashion icon. Casual glam is another area where Megha shines. She takes everyday pieces and elevates them with a touch of glamour. Picture a simple white tee tucked into a sequined skirt or a denim jacket thrown over a sequined dress. It's all about finding that perfect balance between comfort and sophistication. She's a pro at putting together edgy yet wearable outfits. You often spot her in high-waisted jeans, paired with crop tops and chunky sneakers. Her ability to mix streetwear with statement accessories is truly commendable. Let's delve into Megha Akash's knack for effortless minimalism. This style is all about embracing simplicity while making a powerful statement. The actress often opts for monochromatic outfits, playing with shades of whites, blacks, and grays. She knows how to make a strong impact with clean lines, classic silhouettes, and just the right amount of accessories. Transitioning to the boho beauty side of her fashion choices, we are treated to a burst of free-spirited vibes. Flowy maxi dresses, fringe details, and floral patterns are some staples in this part of her wardrobe. Megha's ability to carry off bohemian looks with grace and ease truly reflects her versatile style sensibility. The actress' power dressing game is something to behold. When it's time to take charge, she steps out in bold and structured outfits that command attention. Think sharp blazers, tailored pantsuits, and high-waisted trousers paired with sophisticated blouses. Her power dressing looks exude confidence and strength. Adding a playful twist to her fashion choices, Megha embraces various prints and patterns. From polka dots to stripes, from quirky motifs to abstract designs, she shows us how to have fun with fashion. Mixing and matching prints in unexpected ways is a skill that sets her apart and keeps her looks fresh and exciting. She seamlessly adapts her wardrobe to the changing weather, incorporating cozy knits and warm colors for fall, and breezy fabrics and vibrant hues for summer. Her seasonal choices reflect her versatility and ability to stay in tune with fashion trends. Let's step into the glamorous world of Megha Akash's evening wear. When the sun sets, Megha's style truly shines. She has an incredible knack for selecting stunning gowns and dresses that make her the center of attention at any event. Whether it's a floor-length sequined gown or an elegant satin number, the actress' evening looks are the epitome of sophistication and allure. Moving on to Megha's ability to revive vintage styles, she effortlessly brings the past back to life. Retro dresses, high-waisted skirts, and timeless accessories give us a taste of different eras while staying modern and relevant. Her vintage-inspired looks show that fashion truly is cyclical and that classic pieces never go out of style. She knows how to sport sporty pieces with a stylish twist. Tracksuits, leggings, and sneakers are not just for the gym. She pairs them with trendy crop tops, oversized hoodies, and cool accessories. It's the perfect balance of comfort and chic. She knows how to take the timeless fabric to new heights. From distressed jeans to denim jackets, she gives us a masterclass in redefining denim. Whether it's double denim or combining denim with unexpected pieces, she shows us that there are endless possibilities with this wardrobe staple. Whether she's jet-setting to exotic locations or enjoying a beach getaway, her travel style is envy-worthy. Flowing dresses, breezy kaftans, and stylish swimwear showcase her ability to seamlessly blend comfort and fashion, all while capturing the essence of the destination. Let's delve into the world of monochrome magic that Megha Akash effortlessly conjures. She showcases the power of a single hue, embracing various shades of the same color for a truly impactful look. From head to toe, the actress demonstrates how to play with textures and tones to create a striking monochromatic ensemble that's anything but boring. She proves that small details can make a big impact. Statement earrings, funky handbags, and unique belts are some of her go-to pieces that add a touch of personality to her outfits. Her ability to choose accessories that stand out without overpowering her look is truly commendable. Megha Akash is known for breaking boundaries with her gender-fluid fashion choices. She challenges traditional gender norms, often embracing pieces from both men's and women's wardrobes. Suits, oversized shirts, and androgynous silhouettes are part of her repertoire, showcasing her confidence and authenticity. Moving on to Megha's skillful cultural fusion, she effortlessly blends elements from different cultures into her outfits. Whether it's incorporating traditional prints, textiles, or accessories, the actress' cultural fusion style is a beautiful representation of global fashion diversity. She demonstrates that fashion has no boundaries. She's an advocate for sustainable choices, often seen sporting outfits made from environmentally friendly materials or promoting ethical fashion brands. Her dedication to making a positive impact through her fashion choices is truly inspiring. Starting off with one of Megha's signature looks, effortless waves. She knows how to create those soft, natural waves that exude an air of elegance and simplicity. Whether she's attending an event or going for a casual outing, this hairstyle perfectly complements her versatile fashion choices. The actress' ability to rock sleek straight hair is truly commendable. She proves that sometimes simplicity is key to making a strong style statement. From attending press events to making appearances on talk shows, her sleek hair adds a touch of sophistication to her overall look. She knows how to turn heads with romantic updos. From intricate braided updos to classic chignons adorned with elegant hairpins, her updo game is on point. These hairstyles beautifully highlight her facial features and complement her evening gowns. Megha's playful side shines through when she rocks ponytails. Whether it's a high ponytail with a twist or a low ponytail with a fun hair accessory, she shows us how to make a casual hairstyle look effortlessly chic. This is the perfect choice for days when she's on the go while maintaining her style quotient. Megha's ability to infuse bohemian vibes into her hairstyles is truly captivating. Whether it's loose fishtail braids, messy crown braids, or even a single side braid, she adds an element of carefree charm to her overall look. The actress' short hair moments are a testament to her versatility. Whether she's rocking a pixie cut or a chic bob, she manages to exude confidence and sophistication. Her short hairstyles showcase her ability to embrace change and still maintain her unique style identity. Let's dive into the world of messy bun magic that Megha Akash effortlessly masters. Her messy buns are far from haphazard, they're a deliberate blend of casual and chic. Whether she's attending a casual brunch or a laid-back event, her messy bun adds an element of carefree elegance to her look. Moving on to the versatile half-up half-down hairstyles that Megha pulls off flawlessly. She knows how to strike the perfect balance between having her hair down and creating an eye-catching updo. Whether it's a twisted half-up style or a half-up ponytail, she shows us that this hairstyle is anything but basic. When it's time to add a touch of glamour, her side-swept hairstyles steal the show. Whether it's loose waves cascading over one shoulder or a sleek side-swept low bun, she captures the essence of old Hollywood glamour while maintaining a modern edge. Megha Akash's crown of braids is a hairstyle fit for a queen. Whether she's attending a festive occasion or embracing her inner bohemian spirit, this hairstyle adds a regal touch to her overall look. Crown braids, whether intricate or simple, beautifully frame her face and showcase her creative side. Transitioning to beachy texture, the actress effortlessly brings the beach vibes to her hairstyles. She embraces that natural, tousled look that gives off a relaxed and carefree aura. Whether she's by the ocean or not, her beachy texture hairstyles capture the essence of summer all year round. We can't forget her affinity for hair accessories. Whether it's adorned headbands, decorative clips, or elegant hairpins, she knows how to elevate her hairstyles with the perfect finishing touch. Her attention to detail truly sets her hairstyles apart. Let's delve into the world of Megha Akash's makeup looks, starting with her signature natural glow. She embraces her natural beauty by opting for minimal makeup that highlights her features. Dewy skin, a touch of blush, and a nude lip are often her go-to choices, creating a fresh and radiant look. Moving on to bold lip statements, she knows how to make her lips the focal point of her makeup. Whether it's a classic red, a vibrant berry shade, or even a deep plum, her choice of bold lip colors adds a striking pop to her overall look. This is the perfect way to infuse a touch of drama into her style. Megha's smoky eye makeup takes center stage. She's a pro at creating sultry and elegant smoky eye looks that add depth and intensity to her gaze. Paired with neutral lips and flawless skin, her smoky eye makeup exudes sophistication and allure. Her natural eyebrow game is one of her standout features. She embraces her natural eyebrow shape and thickness, opting for soft filling and grooming that frames her face beautifully. Her choice to keep her eyebrows natural adds a touch of authenticity to her makeup looks. Subtle contouring is another aspect of Megha's makeup routine. She knows how to sculpt and define her features without going overboard. Soft contouring and highlighting help enhance her natural bone structure, giving her face a graceful dimension that complements her style. Transitioning to glowing highlights, the actress understands the art of adding radiance to her makeup. Whether it's a subtle dusting on her cheekbones or a touch of highlight on her brow bone and cupid's bow, she knows how to catch the light and create a luminous finish to her makeup looks. Megha Akash's makeup transitions seamlessly from day to night. With just a few strategic changes, she elevates her daytime makeup to a glamorous evening look. A change in lip color, a bit more intensity on the eyes, and she's ready to take on the night with confidence. Let's dive into the colorful playfulness that Megha Akash brings to her makeup game. Whether it's a pop of blue eyeliner, a bold pink eyeshadow, or a playful pastel lip, her use of color showcases her creativity and confidence. Moving on to the importance of a flawless base, Megha's makeup always starts with a well-prepared canvas. She knows the significance of prepping her skin with moisturizer and primer, ensuring her foundation and concealer go on smoothly. Her commitment to a flawless base sets the stage for her entire makeup look. When it's time to add a touch of elegance, Megha's winged eyeliner game takes flight. She's skilled at creating the perfect wing that adds a classic and polished element to her eyes. The clean lines and precise application enhance her eye shape and bring attention to her gaze. Her makeup often features a soft and romantic blush that adds warmth and dimension to her cheeks. Whether it's a dusty rose or a soft coral hue, her choice of blush shades complements her skin tone and creates a gentle flush that adds a touch of innocence to her overall look. Transitioning to versatile eyeshadow looks, she knows how to switch up her eye makeup to suit different occasions. From neutral matte shades for daytime to shimmery metallics for evenings, she showcases her eyeshadow versatility by playing with various textures and colors. Megha Akash's ethereal highlighter game is nothing short of magical. She knows how to choose highlighter shades that enhance her complexion and create a luminous glow. Whether it's a golden sheen or a soft pearlescent shine, her highlighter application adds a touch of enchantment to her makeup. She understands the impact of bold lashes that frame her eyes and create a captivating focal point. Whether they're dramatic and voluminous or wispy and natural, her false lashes elevate her eye makeup to the next level. Let's shift our focus to the dazzling world of Megha Akash's accessories, starting with her collection of statement earrings. She knows how to elevate her outfits with bold and eye-catching earrings that instantly become conversation starters. Whether it's oversized hoops, intricate chandeliers, or unique geometric designs, her choice of statement earrings adds a touch of drama and elegance to her looks. Moving on to layered necklaces, the actress demonstrates the art of mixing and matching delicate necklaces to create a harmonious and stylish effect. She's skilled at layering different lengths, textures, and pendants to add depth and personality to her neckline. Her layered necklace game is a testament to her attention to detail. Megha Akash's stacking rings game is a visual delight. She knows how to create a curated stack of rings that adds an edgy and artistic touch to her fingers. Whether it's mixing metals, incorporating gemstones, or playing with different textures, her ring stacks reflect her unique style sensibility. When it comes to bracelets, the actress doesn't shy away from going bold. She embraces chunky cuffs, intricate bangles, and statement bracelets that adorn her wrists with personality and flair. Her ability to mix and match bracelets of various sizes and designs showcases her creativity and confidence. Megha's wristwear is a perfect blend of fashion and functionality. She understands the impact of a well-chosen watch that complements her outfits while keeping her on track. Whether it's a classic leather band or a sleek metallic design, her watches add a touch of sophistication to her style. And there you have it, a glimpse into Megha Akash's fashion choices that continue to inspire us all. Whether it's her casual chic looks, ethereal red carpet ensembles, contemporary fusions, casual glam, or street-style magic, Megha's style game is always on point. We hope you enjoyed this fashion journey as much as we did. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.